If you need to change your Gmail phone number, this video will walk you through the full process step by step in a simple and safe way. Updating your phone number is important because it helps you recover your account, receive security alerts, and keep your Google account information current. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the new phone number because Google will send a verification code to confirm the change. And if this tutorial helps you, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more easy Gmail and Google account guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com/personal-info. This is the Google account page where you can manage your personal information, including your contact details. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail or Google account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account on your device. After you sign in, look for the section called Contact Info. In this section, you'll see your personal contact details connected to your Google account. Find the phone option and click on it. This will open the phone number settings for your account, where you can view and edit the number currently saved. Now click on your current phone number. Google may show you a details page or a small settings panel depending on your device and browser. From there, click Edit. This tells Google that you want to update the phone number linked to your account. Once you select Edit, you'll be able to replace the old number with a new one. Next, enter your new phone number carefully. Make sure you choose the correct country code before typing the number, because even one wrong digit can cause the verification code to go to the wrong place or fail completely. Double check the number before continuing so you don't run into issues later. After entering the new number, Google will ask you to verify it. This is a security step to make sure you actually own the phone number you're adding. You should receive a verification code by text message or another verification method sent to the new number. Open the message on your phone, look for the code, and enter it into the verification box on the screen. Once you've entered the code, click Verify or Save, depending on the options shown on your screen. This final step confirms the change and updates your Gmail phone number on your Google account. After that, your new number should be connected to your account and ready for account recovery and security notifications. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a minute and make sure the number was typed correctly. You can also check your signal, restart the process, or try again if needed. Sometimes a simple mistake in the number or country code is the reason verification fails, so always review everything before resending the code. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Gmail phone number. It only takes a few minutes, but it's a really important account security update. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Google account tips and Gmail tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.